a rational function. What is the root word for rational? What? Not here. Where is it coming from? Is this something? Is it
Ratio.
okay? Ratio. What does ratio mean? Okay, you're thinking of something like this. Yeah, that's not what I'm thinking of. What else could it be? That's one way of thinking, nothing wrong with that. Fraction. So 1/2 ratio of 1 divided by 2. So a rational function is simply any function that is of the form P of x divided by q of x. Typically, this is the numerator polynomial in this part. We don't look at other types of functions, at least not yet. That is the denominator polynomial. Those of them are polynomials. But anytime you have division, is there a point of concern when you divide something? Nolan says yes. A denominator cannot be equal to 0. That is one condition that we know about division. The denominator cannot be 0. So naturally, when you graph, that behavior can be noted by observing the denominator polynomial dividing by 0. And if we relate directly to the graph, what would it correspond to? It would correspond to something called a vertical asymptote. Yes? So, anytime you have a rational function, there are 3 possibilities which you can expect to happen. A. They could happen in combinationals. You could have a horizontal asymptote. B. You could have a vertical asymptote. And C. You could have an oblique asymptote. Now, just like how you look at an equation or a polynomial and recognize what the roots are, you look at the sign change, you do rational root theorem. There are ways to identify what type of asymptote you would have for a rational function. Good? Okay.